morning, everyone. How is your day? I have to tell you this, I was and still I am a night owl, and it was such a hard task for me to get into a routine, especially I had this migraine, so sound sleep is so important for me. By managing those, getting into a morning routine is so nice and nerve-wracking as well. And I have few things to share in detail about my process of getting into an early morning bird actually, but that will be coming up shortly. Today, we are going to see just my current morning routine and few tips related to those. I will tell you why shortly, but why don't you subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up if you do enjoy the content, because that will help my channel and reach the content to many other moms out there as well. So let's begin. If you have joined already, thank you so much for being part of my journey. My name is Linta, and this is a channel for all the homemakers out there with the hope of helping and sharing the motivation for you all needed ladies. So yes, right now I'm showing you my early morning routine with you all. Like I said earlier, I will be sharing the detailed video of my whole morning routine, how I develop those, everything, because I am actually in the process of adding 2 more chores in my morning routine. So by the time I share my whole morning routine, I want those also as my habit so that I can explain it to you and you will feel that. So stay tuned for that. So here I wake up at 4:30 a.m. now, and first thing I do is to take the dog out for his toilet time, and then I go directly to my toilet time. No, I go brush my teeth, so I don't have the habit of getting dressed early in the morning or any skincare. That's very impractical for me, and also since everyone do, I don't do that. That's not me. Whatever is applicable for me, that I do. So brush the teeth. While brushing, I make my coffee, and also I don't drink water first, it affects my tummy badly, so coffee is my first drink, and also a snack of bun, and that is most of the time that is my breakfast as well. I eat lunch by 11 or 11:30 if I don't eat my breakfast. If I eat my breakfast, then my lunch will be around 2 o'clock. And also I'm making my son, my hubby, and my lunch. So this day it was pasta day, so I don't directly cook, but today the lunch is pasta, so I'm keeping the water for boil for cooking, and then I go sit, relax, drink coffee, eat snacks, and then browse through mobile, maybe listen to some podcast or watch some video, and then coming back to cooking and keep listening to the podcast or watch video, whatever it is, depends on that day mood. Actually that helps me to have that feel of not rushing, and I like, yes, I had my morning time. That gives me a lot of energy for the whole day. So if you're looking for getting into a routine, make sure to give you that feel of having your own time, your own morning time. If that actually gives you a lot of energy for the whole day, you will feel like you have did something for you. Now you can do it a lot of things for your family as well. So I would really recommend you guys to have that feel, do something that make you in that feel, instead of directly getting up and going into doing a lot of stuff, and by the end of that chore you'll be like, oh, now I'm so tired, what can I do for me? I don't even have an energy for doing something for me. Instead of feeling like that, start with you, then go with the whole house chores. Okay, so I am making some mince pasta today. So I'm not going to explain all the process of cooking. I'm going to leave the video a little slow here so you can understand what it is going on. So for this mince pasta, you need onion, ginger, garlic, bay leaves, star anise, chili powder, coriander powder, salt, oregano, and Italian herbs. So these are all the ingredients I use for making this pasta. So first we need to cook the mince. So yeah, it's going to be cooked and add all the, once it is cooked and browned and to your like, then add all the ingredients and also add the chopped onion. And what I do is I would add the cooked pasta water into this mince mix before throwing the water off, because that is going to give a little more, that instead of dry feeling, it's going to give so much of different thickness. The pasta thickness will be there if you use that cooked pasta water, not too much, little bit of water, mix it well. That is going to give extra taste for your pasta. So that's my one tip over there while cooking pasta, any pasta dish. And also I am going to make some egg for eating breakfast for son and my husband. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. You can watch that. and the time is 5:53 a.m. Got everything done. So actually, because of the pasta is an easy meal to cook, the cooking finished early, so otherwise it will go to up to 6:15 or 6:30. And also I packed my son's bag and then fill in water for drinking for everyone, and then go and sit and have some time with posting on Instagram, sharing some stories and redoing some reading of Bible. So these are a lot of the stuff that is routines that is early in the morning. So I do have some time to spare right now. What I do means, after doing all this, I watch some videos and stuff, but actually I wanted to add 2 more things in my early morning routine, so so that it can be useful for me, which I will explain to you in my routine development video, which will be coming up on 2021. So I needed to add 2 more routine in my early morning routine because I do have some time. So I am developing that habit, which is not going to happen, suddenly. It developing a habit is impractical. So if you want to develop a habit, at least you need to give 90-day challenge for yourself. That's how you have to develop a habit, so the brain can store and all that stuff. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. This is my current early morning routine, so I do need to add 2 more routine in my early morning routine, which is not going successful. So I am in the process of making it happen. So soon, hopefully, things become a habit. And stay tuned for those videos because I'll be sharing my tips as well. And if you do enjoy, make sure to leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, before leaving, please subscribe to the channel. And love you all. See you later. Bye bye.